Hello friends, welcome to your channel. This is part 4 of Counter app using RecyclerView and real-time database. In the last video, we have created a details activity, and in the details activity, we were showing coffee name and the description of the coffee. In the Counter app, number of likes and coffee name is coming from real-time database, while the description is coming locally from string.xml file. In this video, we will see how we could display the coffee name also from the string.xml file. In real-time database, we have 8 entries, 8 coffee name and number of likes. Here the keys are from 1 to 8. In the string.xml file, we are already using the string name 1 to 8 for description. Now we also want coffee names from 1 to 8 in string name, but we cannot keep duplicate string name in string.xml file, so we will add underscore dash in string name for descriptions from 1 to 8. For coffee name also, we have created 8 strings from 1 to 8 and adding underscore 1 to underscore 8 in name of the strings. Now we will go to the main activity. Inside the listener, add on complete listener, and inside the for loop, get resources dot get identifier. For description, in the key we will append underscore desk, so our key will become like 1 underscore desk, 2 underscore desk. Now we also require coffee name dynamically from string.xml file, so for that purpose here we will change the variable name to id of name, then get resources dot get identifier. In the key we will write like key plus underscore name, thus our key will become dynamic. It will become 1 underscore name, 2 underscore name, etc. Using the id we will get the actual string, that is coffee name from string.xml file. Get string in the parameter id. We will set the name in the counter model. We are already getting the coffee name from Firebase Realtime database, but here inside the for loop we are replacing coffee name with coffee name from string.xml file. We will go to the details activity layout file. Description text view placeholder text is coming from string.xml file, so it would be 1 underscore desk. Our code is complete now. We could run the code. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.